we people are going to start with the pressure measure. What is the primary requirement for the pressure measurement? So as I have already specified you people regarding the pressure measurement, as it is a significant parameter and plays a vital role in the process industry. The basic requirement for the pressure measurement at the primary level is its units and the relation configuration of the units. So, in the first lecture of the pressure measurement, I would like to welcome you all. So, these are the contents that we people are going to study in this lecture. So, introduction means what is pressure measurement and the different methods that has been commonly encountered for the measurement of pressure. So commonly I would like to specify that classification of the pressure measuring instruments or pressure measuring transducers and the references that has been used for designing this particular presentation and this particular lecture. So here in this particular lecture, we people are going to study units for pressure measurement and its relation, manometers as an subtopic, and its different types or classification of pressure measuring devices or transducers commonly. Okay. So, after completion of this lecture, you people will be able to understand what are the different units that has been used for the measurements of pressure and what is the relation among that units. You people will be able to thoroughly classify the classification of pressure measuring devices and pressure measuring transducer and its different transducer. So this is the learning outcome of the lecture, and after completion of this, you people will be thoroughly able to explain these particular points. Now what is pressure and how we people are going to elaborate? So one of the example I would like to share with you people. Suddenly, if suppose government or university has declared that you people are supposed to give an exam of your first year, what would be your reaction? And your exam is going to be started from day 2 as it has been informed. That is nothing but from tomorrow. Suppose your exam is going to be started for first year. What would be your reaction and how you people are going to be react for that particular input? So no doubt you people will be pressurized as you are not in touch with the syllabus of the first year. It means that, or we can come to the conclusion that you people will be under pressure. You people will be under pressure. In the similar aspect, there are large number of applications where this particular parameter is going to be used or it can be used or utilized. So common definition is nothing but force that has been divided in terms of area. I will consider the previous example. Suppose the exam is to be delivered tomorrow, or suppose the exam is to be delivered after 1 month. Now, if you try to compare among the span of the exam, if suppose you are trying to give the exam tomorrow, pressure will be maximum on you because the time span which is required is minimum. And if suppose after 1 month, means you people will be well prepared for that particular exam. So the pressure which is going to you people will be pressurized, but the pressure exerted on you people will be the minimum one. Now, if I correlate it with area, then the time span which has been given to you people at the first condition is a minimum time span. So the pressure will be maximum on you people, and for 1 month time span, that is the case second, it will be the large time span. So pressure exerted on you people will be the minimum one. In both the cases, you are going to have a pressure, but there will be a difference in that particular pressure. That's why the pressure in technical language is defined as a force that has been divided by the area. So pressure is the ratio of force by area. So your force is measured in terms of Newton and area is measured in terms of meter square per inch square. Okay, and the diagram I have provided over here, that one basin or one beaker has been represented, and on that particular beaker, force has been applied from the upper side. So what are the different units that are used to measure the pressure? Depending on the application, actually these pressures or these units are commonly used. So first unit is PSI. Your pressure can be measured in terms of PSI. Your pressure can be measured in terms of Pascal. Your pressure can be measured in terms of bar. Pressure can be measured in terms of atmosphere. Pressure can be measured in terms of torque. Now, these are nothing but these are different units, and most commonly used unit in our laboratory, we people are having a PSI unit. In some of the cases, commonly used unit is the Pascal. So, whatever the units that I have specified, that can be used or that can be converted in terms of Pascal. So what is the value of these units that has been highlighted over here for the different units? Now, for 1 PSI, what is the unit that has been, or what is the requirement to be converted in terms of Pascal? So 1 PSI is equal to 6,895 Pascal. 1 bar is equal to 105 Pascal. 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 1,325 Pascal, and 1 torque is equal to 133.3 Pascal. So these are nothing but these are the units. Where your pressure is going to be exerted, pressure can be exerted on solid, pressure can be exerted on gas, pressure can be exerted on liquid. So here the unit of pressure are Pascal, PSI, atmospheric pressure, bar and torque. Okay. So unit of pressure, 1 atmospheric pressure. Now here the conversion, what is your requirement depending upon your application, for which particular application, whether you are working for atmospheric pressure, whether you people are working for gases, whether you people are working for liquid, whether you people are working for solid, and what particular application you are using, whether flow you are utilizing, or you are transmitting gas, or you are transmitting semi-solid contents, for that one, your units should be calibrated as per your requirement. Suppose you are measuring the output in terms of atmospheric pressure, and in that aspect, you are supposed to convert that one in terms of PSI. So 1 atmospheric pressure can be converted into 14.7 PSI at sea level. at sea level. I will highlight that particular part also. And it can be even converted to 101.3 kilopascals, which is equal to 760 mm of Hg. So there is a measurement of a pressure in mm of Hg also, and commonly this is used in biomedical field for blood pressure measurement. 10.3 meter of water and 1013 millibar. For one atmospheric pressure, whatever I have specified, these are the different outcomes that one atmospheric pressure can be converted, and this will be the values at particular instant. Now 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square, and 1 bar is equal to 100 Pascal. So you can convert that 100 Pascal into Newton bar if you are interested to convert. Okay. So units of pressure, as pressure is defined as force per unit area. So the basic unit of pressure, SI unit of the pressure is Pascal. So in the first slide, whatever I have used, that is converted, or that units are converted in terms of Pascal. Why this is so? Because SI unit of pressure is a Pascal. So force that has been exerted 1 Newton per square meter, that is 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter. Now high pressure is 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal, and 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 14.696 psi, which is equal to 101.325 kilopascals. And this is the range for higher pressure, because what happens, some of the instruments or some of the transducers that we people are going to use for the measurement of pressure, it is calibrated, or it is provided in terms of the range of low pressure measurement, medium pressure measurement, and high pressure measurement. Then low pressure measurement is 1 millibar is equal to 10 dyne per centimeter square. It is a centimeter. Please note this one. So 100 dyne per centimeter square. So this is not that one. It is 2 centimeter square, which is equal to 14.5 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. This one is 10 raised to minus 3 psi. And 1 torr is equal to 1 mm of Hg into 19.35 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 psi. So these are the notations that has been used for the low pressure. Not low, you can use any one, but this is the particular range in which we people are measuring the low pressure. Okay.